guess it's time to feed my babies. Here they come now. Come on, fellas. Come on. Well, down again yonder and behind the barn, there's a power line there, and the offsprays, they started making a nest onto it. So I quickly contacted Nova Scotia Power because I knew there would be a casualty for sure. So they quickly came and they destroyed the nest and they put some things there so that they couldn't nest there anymore. But then they asked me where could be another place to put a pole for that be safe. And I said, boy, I said, sir, you just follow me. I said, I got the ideal location. So they come up over here and they put that pole up on a Friday. And then Saturday, they showed up again to put the platform up, and they got it all done, and they weren't gone an hour, and two of them showed up. Now you're up here in the country and with the surrounding of the forest and the trees and the deer, but yet you're just a beautiful 15-minute walk, and you're right smack on the waterfront of Lunenburg, where Blue Nose sets and all the restaurants and art galleries and things to do in Lunenburg. I guess the other thing folks is discovering too, they can come here and perhaps rent this maybe for a week because it's a great base camp. You're central. You know, you're just an hour from Halifax, an hour from the Annapolis Valley, you know, to Liverpool, Shelburne, you can only an hour and a bit away, and it's just so centered, you know, and so that you can go and you can enjoy a day and you can go back and go into your cabin and where you won't have to worry about rebooking another night. But we have the wood stoves you see here, which is hard to come by. It's a lot of accommodations today, and they enjoy, you know, the experience of a real wood burning stove. Of course, we supply all the wood, you know, that's included, and your barbecues on your decks and all the propane's included. And they just come here during the winter time and enjoy the winter season, the getaways and the quietness of it. And I always tell the folks, you know, there's going to be a snowstorm. Well, don't cancel. We keep the place plowed out all week through during the storm and before and after, of course. Come and book your stay when you know a storm is coming. And you can get all bundled up and have the wood stove burning nice and warm and just watch how the storm goes through, and Mother Nature just puts a nice beautiful blanket on it. When the storm is all over and the roads are plowed, well, then go on home if you want.